Hey guys, Mindy here and welcome to episode 4 of Christmas giveaways! This right here is sponsored by our friends at Fly Ergo. And a quick reminder, we are giving away everything that I unboxed today, so watch this video very closely, wait for the mystery question to pop up for all the instructions. Okay, let's unbox this. Oh, I think we open it the other way around. This should be at the bottom. Okay. Right, we have it here. So this right here is a single monitor arm from Fly Ergo. And we have the instructions here for us to install. We're gonna leave this for later. We have another thing to, where's my knife? I cannot find my knife. I'm gonna use hands to box this. I need a knife. Oh, found my knife. Ooh, yay, okay. So right here is the dual monitor arm from Fly Ergo. Ooh, there's one more here. Okay, so we have a dual monitor arm setup right here. And I will proceed to fix this up, guys. And here it is. I just upgraded this $100 IKEA desk with these two monitor arms to build a minimal clean desk setup, which you can have. These monitor arms are major upgrades to any desk setup, and no one is paying me to say this. I just really love them. They just clear up so much space. And of course, they do more than just that. Let's take a closer look to see what these babies can do for you. It is VESA mount compatible, which means most monitors can use this. It holds up to 8 kg weight, which is perfect for my LG monitors. We also have the cable management here to hide all your cables. And the arms have inbuilt RGB light with 7 rainbow color transitions. It's perfect for gamers and people like myself who just love to have that backlighting. You don't have to spend extra to get that LED light strip around your desk. This arm already gives you that light. But one thing is you can't control the color, it just automatically goes through that 7 colors for you. But I think this is pretty decent for its price. With monitor arms, it also means you can rotate your monitors like this or that and swivel it or tilt it. Monitor arms are great for smaller desks because it just saves you so much space by lifting the table, by lifting the monitors off the desk. You get a much cleaner, much organized space. Plus, with height adjustment means we get a more ergo setup, which is very important, especially if you're spending a lot of time on the desk. You want your monitors to be of that right height for you so that you're not like leaning backwards too much or like looking down too much, which can really strain your neck. For real, take care of your back, it's not a joke. I would easily recommend this to my friends and families. And speaking of loved ones, for this video, let's think of someone else. If you were to win these monitor arms, who would you want to give them to and why? Answer this in the comment section below for a chance to win these gifts, and I'll look through every comment and pick the winners. And I mean, if you're trying to hint your loved ones to give this to you, you can always send this video and ask them to join the giveaway so that, you know, they get the idea, you know what I mean? Remember, there are 2 prizes to be won here. One is the dual monitor arm, which is what we have here to hold our setup. The other is the single monitor arm, which we unboxed earlier on. So yeah, it's a wrap for episode 4. If you like anything you see here, all the links are in the description box. For the latest giveaway updates, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and follow me on all my socials so that you don't miss out on all the holiday giveaways. Take care, stay minty and cherry. Goodbye!